4-patch star. It's a 12-inch finished block. Here's what it looks like, and here's the diagram to show you how to assemble the block. This is a 3x3 grid. There are 3 units across and 3 units down. And we have 3 different units in this block. We have the corner unit, and there are 4 of them. We have a half square triangle unit. There are 4 on each side of the block. And in the center is a 4-patch block. Now let's look at the patches. We have patch A, which is a 2-inch finished square. We're going to cut our squares 2.5 inches. We'll need 6 patches for the medium fabric, 2 for the dark fabric, and 4 for the background fabric. Here is your Accuquilt die if you are using Accuquilt. These, I'll remind you that these are the rotary cutting instructions, and if you want to cut these by hand with a rotary cutter and a ruler, you can make this block with these instructions here. Patch B is a 2-inch finished half square triangle. We'll cut 2 7/8 inch squares. Cut each square in half once diagonally, and we will have 2 patches. We'll need 8 patches for the background and 8 patches for the dark fabric. Because you need 8 patches and you get 2 patches from 1 square, you'll need to cut 4 squares to get your 8 patches. Patch C is a 4-inch finished half square triangle. We cut 1 square at 4 7/8 inches. Cut it in half once diagonally. We'll have 2 patches. For the background, we'll need 4 patches, so you will need to cut 2 squares. Cut each square in half once. We're going to start by putting this together, first piecing the 4-patch unit in the center. Then we're going to piece all of the B patch half square triangles. And when we do that, we can assemble the corner unit and then piece the large half square triangle with the C patches. Here's what it looks like with a variety of fabrics and put 4 blocks together. So it gives a nice little secondary design there. So here are the patches and the fabric I've chosen. Patch A is the square, and we have a background, a light fabric, and a dark fabric. So if we start with step 1, we're going to piece our 4-patch unit, and that goes together like this. So I'll piece that. Then we'll take all of our B patches, which are these dark fabric and the light fabric, and we will piece all these small half square triangles. And we'll jump to step 4, and we'll piece the large half square triangles. I'll go and piece those now, and then we'll finish the units. Now we have our large half square triangles stitched together, and our 4-patch unit is stitched. Now we need to do our corner units. You just follow the diagram, and they're laid out like this. You just sew them together like a 4-patch, and we're going to make 4 of these. The corner units are pieced. Now we'll just follow the diagram and put the block together.